In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Nano Banana API key. We'll start right at the beginning so nothing feels confusing. Open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Google AI Studio. This is the official place where you'll generate the key you'll use with Nano Banana. In the search results, click the link for Google AI Studio. Make sure you're selecting the official Google site so you're in the right place. Once you're on the AI Studio site, look for the option that says Get API Key and click it. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in to your Google account. That's expected, because your keys are tied to your account. Next, select Create API Key. If you're new to AI Studio, you might see a prompt to create a project first. Go ahead and click Create Project. A project is just a container that organizes your API keys and usage. It helps keep things tidy across environments, like development and production, and makes it easier to manage quotas and track costs later. You'll be asked to name your project. Choose something descriptive so you can recognize it at a glance, especially if you plan to create more than one. Keeping names clear and consistent now saves headaches down the road. After the project is created, you'll be prompted to name your key. Give the key a specific, meaningful name that reflects how you'll use it, such as the app or environment it belongs to. Good naming makes it easier to rotate keys or revoke them without accidentally breaking the wrong integration. Now click Create Key. AI Studio will generate the key and display it on screen. This is important. Copy the key immediately and store it somewhere secure, because many dashboards only show it in full once. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't commit it to source control, and avoid pasting it into screenshots. A safe approach is to place it in an environment variable or a secrets manager used by your deployment platform. That's it. You navigated to Google, searched for Google AI Studio, opened the official site, chose Get API Key, created a project if prompted, named your project, named the key, and then created it. With your API key safely saved, you're ready to plug it into Nano Banana wherever the application asks for it. If anything looks different on your screen, platforms occasionally refresh their layouts, but the flow stays the same. Open AI Studio, get an API key, create or pick a project, name things clearly, and copy the key securely. Thanks for watching, and happy building.